Hi guys, welcome to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to fix a sorry, it looks like you're not eligible on TikTok problem that you might be having. There's a couple ways to fix this, so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you can do is head to the App Store and see if TikTok needs some kind of update. Sometimes this could be a cause of some kind of problem, so I'll go ahead and search for TikTok. As you can see, it does not need one, however, it could for you. Another thing you can do is go to Settings, scroll down to General, then click on iPhone Storage, and then from here you want to wait for it to load, and then you want to try to search for TikTok. Once you have found it, you then need to offload the app. All this will do is free up some storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data so you don't worry about any of your data or posts disappearing. Once it is done offloading, you can reinstall the app. If that doesn't work, you can also change your birth date, because sometimes if you're not over a certain age, I might not let you create an account on TikTok. But I hope one of these methods does help. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subs by the end of the year, and I cannot do it without your help. So I want to say thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.